What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Qara's Kitchen, and today we are making these stuffed mini bell peppers. So we are going to start by taking out all the seeds, and I'm going to cut mine in half. You can leave them whole if you want to, but I think it'll be harder to stuff if you keep it whole because it's so small unless you use the big ones. So once you cut them in half, I'm going to drizzle on some olive oil, and after you drizzle that olive oil, you want to get it in there really well, front, back, and in the crevices. And I'm going to sprinkle mine with a little seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning you like. I think I just use taco seasoning here. You can use the fajita seasoning if you want to. It's all up to you. Next, we're going to place them in the oven at 400 degrees just until they're nice and soft. And then we're going to take them out and put them together. So while our peppers are in the oven, I have some rice cooking and I have my meat ready. So all we waiting on is our peppers. So I'm going to put a little bit rice on each one, some beef, and then a little bit of cheese and queso. And we're going to put this back in the oven at 400 degrees just until that cheese melts. Now you can top it with whatever you like. I'm topping mine with a little bit of sour cream and green onions. And now you have a snack that took you 30 minutes or less. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.